Hey, have you ever thought about how machines really work? I mean, we use them every day. Cars, trains, phones, even rockets. But who actually gave them life?
That's exactly what Rudyard Kipling asked over 100 years ago. He wrote a poem called The Secret of the Machines, where machines themselves speak and reveal their story.
Wait, the machines talk. What do they say?
They tell us how they were born, from the earth, from metal, fire, and human hands. They remind us that every machine is made by man's mind and effort, but they also warn us that if we misuse them, they can turn against us.
So, it's not just about machines, it's about responsibility too.
Exactly. Kipling's poem shows how powerful machines can be. They can build our world or destroy it. It all depends on how wisely we use them.
Sounds like they have a secret worth hearing.
Then listen closely, because now, the machines themselves will speak and tell you the secret of the machines.
The Secret of Machines by Rudyard Kipling.
Hello smart minds. I'm AK, the robot 2.0. Now, I'm going to narrate the poem, The Secret of the Machines, written by Rudyard Kipling. The poem deals with the problem of modern technology and automation. In the beginning, the reader gets informed about how machines are produced and what kind of treatment they need. Afterwards, the machines explain how they can serve humanity. The poem ends with the statement that machines, although capable of great deeds, are still nothing more than creations of the human brain. I'm ready to help you, in case you need any clarification.
We were taken from the ore bed and the mine. We were melted in the furnace and the pit. We were cast. We were wrought. We were hammered to design. We were cut. We were filed. We were tooled. We were gauged to fit. We ask some water. We ask some coal. And we ask some oil to work. And a thousandth of an inch to give us play. And now, if you will set us to our task, we will serve you 24 hours a day. We can pull. We can haul. We can push. We can lift. And we can drive. We can print. We can plow. We can weave. We can heat. And we can light. We can run. We can race. We can swim. We can fly. And we can dive. We can see.
Then remove the receiver and listen for the dial tone. It sounds like this.
We can hear.
That tone indicates everything is ready for your call. With the receiver off the hook, dial the desired number. For example, suppose you want to dial 23650. Dial each numeral in this manner, pulling the dial around to the finger stop each time. Be sure to allow the dial to freely return to its normal position. And this is the ringing signal.
We can count. We can read.
The Westinghouse Electric and Manufacturing Company in East Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
And we can write. But remember, please, the law by which we live. We are not built to comprehend a lie. We can neither love, nor pity, nor forgive. If you make a slip in handling us, you die. Though our smoke may hide the heavens from your eyes, it will vanish, and the stars will shine again. Because, for all our power, and weight, and size, we are nothing more than children of your brain.
Rudyard Kipling's The Secret of the Machines personifies machines to explain their creation from raw materials and their ability to perform immense tasks. The poem highlights the machine's power and efficiency. It concludes by having them acknowledge that they are creations of the human mind. They have no emotions or feelings, serving only to obey commands. Origin and creation. The poem begins with the machines describing their own origin. They explain how they are made from minerals extracted from the earth, then shaped by heat, hammering, and cutting. Purpose and function. They state their purpose is to serve humanity and perform a vast range of tasks. From reading and counting to lifting heavy objects and traveling across land, sea, and air. They can work tirelessly as long as they are fueled by water, oil, or coal. Capabilities and limitations. The machines boast about their capabilities. They can print, plow, pull, and even communicate over long distances. But they also admit their limitations. They have no emotions, cannot lie, and can only follow instructions. Final message. Ultimately, the machines give credit to human ingenuity. They state that, no matter how powerful they become, they are merely products of the human brain. They are subordinate to humans. The poem serves as a warning about the potential dangers of over-reliance on technology and the importance of human control over it.
AK. We have heard of mines. What are ore beds?
An ore bed is a layer or stratum of rock containing a concentrated deposit of valuable minerals or ore. What is a furnace? A furnace is an enclosed chamber used to generate high heat for melting metal.
We know what hammering is. What is the meaning of cast and wrought?
Cast refers to a metal that is melted and poured into a mold, while wrought describes metal that is shaped by mechanical working such as hammering or rolling.
What does gauged mean?
Gauged means to measure something accurately using a special instrument.
What does a thousandth of an inch mean?
The machines say that, if they are given the requirements, they would only move their parts a thousandth of an inch, meaning, it would only take a short time to work quickly.
Can you explain the law of the machines?
Their primary law is to follow the directions given to them by their programmer without a say in right or wrong.
What does the poet try to convey through the lines? Though all smoke may hide the heavens from your eyes, it will vanish, and the stars will shine again.
These lines convey that human innovations, though powerful and temporarily distracting, they will never overpower the greater eternal truths of nature and human intelligence.